This is Earthtech, and what we're showing here is our smallest and latest addition to the number of machines. This one is the one that we wanted to make. We built this so that anybody who was building a home could amortize this in their house. It doesn't matter how big the house is. This is the BLM 12.8MB. It makes a 4x12 blade lock. It's got a little bitty engine on it. It's got manual controls on it. The little hopper design, you can use a very tiny skid steer or a little bitty front end loader, or you can load it up by hand. But you think about it, you can take this machine on a job site, on your job site. You can build your own blocks and your own walls out of your own soil if your soil's remotely suitable. And you can have your own house, and you can do this machine. This is the one that we can put in every town, in every farm. You probably need it. Thanks.